Hi there, it's Jodi. I am really excited to tell you about my mix and match card kit that I have available now through June 16th, 2024. We are going to use the ephemera packs and some card bases and envelopes that are in the new Stampin' Up! Annual catalog. If you have a hard copy of the catalog, it's on page 19. And if you're looking in my online store, you can simply look up mix and match and you'll see a lot of these options here. So there are some decorative card bases, and then these ephemera packs have different sheets. And what I want to do is actually pull those items in to show you a little bit of a closer look. So we've got the first one here. This one is called Saying Something, and it's literally just lots of different greetings, some script, some block letters, pieces like this. There are so many different greetings here for just about every occasion that you can imagine. So with my kit, you're going to get one of each of these. You're also going to get one of each of these. This is the Something for Everything ephemera pack. And these are just a variety of all occasion images. So you'll get one of each of these. And then we have the Fully Flowering. And as you can imagine, lots of different flowers to choose from. And finally, Labels and Layers. And you can just see all sorts of different labels that you can use to layer both greetings and images. So in my exclusive mix and match card kit, you're going to get 16 different sheets with pre-cut images and sentiments. So 16 sheets. You're also going to get 20 different card bases. You can see, I'll just scoot a little bit and kind of move my pile around. There are so many different ideas and designs here. So 20 different card bases, and I should point out that they all come with their own unique decorative envelope as well. So you're going to get supplies to do 20 different cards with some really sweet envelopes that match. You're also going to get a sheet of Stampin' Dimensionals. As you can see on this one, for example, I popped up this part of the greeting while the other pieces are attached directly to the card base. You can also add on, if you would like to, this stamp set called Simply Said. It's worth noting that this card kit does not involve any stamping. So it's great for a beginner, but it's also full of creative options. So you can look at my designs and you can get creative with it. Maybe you want to switch some things around. You certainly can do that. If you want to follow each one exactly as it is because you're brand new, that is absolutely fine. You can also incorporate some stamping on the outside or on the inside of your cards. This is a great stamp set because it is so versatile, so simple. Lots of great images here. So my kit that includes supplies to make 20 different cards with decorative envelopes and all those sheets. Let me pull this in just to show you. These are all pieces I have left from these 16 sheets that you'll get. There's a ton of pieces in here that you can use to make additional cards. You can use on scrapbook pages, whatever crafting projects that you would like. So you will make 20 different cards with decorative envelopes. You'll have some of the ephemera pieces left over to use on other projects. You'll get the Stampin' Dimensionals. That is all only $49, and that includes shipping right to your door. If you want to add on the Simply Said stamp set, that bumps it up to $69. And again, that includes shipping. So you can pay me through Venmo, oh my goodness, Venmo, PayPal, or you can send a check in the mail. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out and let me know. And like I said, this is available right now through June 16th, 2024. And I will say that some of these have been so popular, and some of these are on our low inventory list. So if you want to make sure you get in on this exclusive 20 card mix and match card kit, be sure to order sooner rather than later so that you can get yours in the mail soon. All right, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.